Withdrawing money from your Pandora account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your Pandora account. Access your Pandora account by visiting the official website or opening the app. Enter your login credentials to access your account dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to the Payments section. Once logged in, find the Payment or Withdrawal section in your account settings. This area typically contains options related to your earnings and payment methods. Step 3. Select Withdrawal Method. Choose the option to withdraw funds. You may be prompted to select your preferred withdrawal method, such as bank transfer. Make sure to have your bank account details ready. Step 4. Enter withdrawal amount. Input the amount of money you wish to withdraw from your Pandora account. Ensure that the amount does not exceed your available balance and meets any minimum withdrawal requirements. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review your withdrawal details, including the amount and bank account information. Once everything is correct, confirm the transaction and submit your request. You should receive a notification regarding the status of your withdrawal. After completing these steps, keep an eye on your bank account for the funds to pay. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Pandora's customer support for assistance.